Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to merge and insert multiple tracks into one track in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your project with multiple tracks displayed, you're ready to begin the merging process. This technique is useful when you want to consolidate different audio segments into a single track for easier editing and management. Now, click and drag your mouse over the specific part of the track you want to merge. Make sure you've selected the exact portion you need, as this selection will determine what gets moved. The selected area should be highlighted, indicating that it's ready for the next step. This selection method gives you precise control over which audio segments you're working with. Next, click on Edit in the upper left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Cut. This action removes the selected audio from its current location and places it on your clipboard, ready to be moved elsewhere. The cut function is essential here because it allows you to relocate audio without duplicating it. After cutting the audio, navigate to the track where you want to merge this content. Click on the very last track in your project, positioning your cursor where you want the audio to appear. Then click on Edit again in the upper left corner and this time select Paste. The audio you previously cut will now appear in this new location, effectively merging it with your target track. You'll need to repeat these exact steps for any additional tracks you want to merge. Simply select the audio portion, cut it from its current track, navigate to your destination track, and paste it there. This process might take a few moments depending on how many tracks you're working with, but it's straightforward once you get the hang of it. Now, if you want to insert a completely new track into your project, click on Tracks at the top toolbar. Hover your mouse over Add New, and from the submenu that appears, select Stereo Track. This creates a brand new track that will appear at the bottom of your project window, giving you fresh space to work with. Once this new stereo track appears, you can paste any audio you've previously cut directly into it. This is particularly useful when you want to organize your audio differently or create a separate track for specific content. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to merge multiple tracks into one and insert new tracks in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.